Today we bring you a great Bollywood add-on which also includes English movies. It's a must-have for anybody who likes a mixture of Bollywood and English. Pretty good all-in-one Kodi add-on. So to install this, we're going to go to Settings, File Manager, we add source, and in here we would type http mbe dot github github.io /blomqvist. So that's mbebe.github.io /blomqvist. You can leave this as it is and click OK. Once you have it installed, you can click inside it to make sure that you have typed it correctly. You should see a repository in there. Now you go back to the main menu and you would now click on add-ons, and you see this tab up here. You click on that, install from zip file. So the zip file, you choose blomqvist and you install the repository mbebe repository. Now you see the repository is installed. You click on install from repository and you find it at the bottom here, mbebe. Click on that, video add-ons, and you see this one here. It's called Bolly to Tolly. Click on that, click install, and then you click OK. As you can see, the add-on is now installed and available for you to see. Once you click on the add-on, you can see the selections available. Please follow, like and subscribe for more great third-party add-ons.